Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So on the channel, you have heard me say that the Brave Shields, which is the built-in ad blocker in the Brave web browser, I think is one of the best ad blockers you can get in regards to blocking ads and a content blocker. And if you are experiencing an issue on YouTube where you're getting the message in Brave, ad blockers are not allowed on YouTube, that warning is popping up, then just to let you know that Brave has issued a fix for the issue, and it's actually quite simple to do. So just a quick video to show you how you can fix the Brave ad blocker from not working. Now, the first thing you need to do, there's two steps for this video. The first thing you need to do is you need to enter this Brave : / components into your address bar. Click on that, and here you scroll down to where you see Brave Ad Block Updater. Okay, so that's what we're looking for on the components page, Brave Ad Block Updater, and just click on check for update. Okay, and it's checking up to date. So if that's out of date, that's the first step you need to take. Make sure Brave Ad Block Updater, that the actual ad blocker is up to date. So that's the first step. Now the next step is heading into our settings by heading to our main menu, navigating to Shields, and here we're looking for content filtering, and just make sure that you update lists. So just click on update lists on that toggle, and list updating, list updated. So those are two little things you can try. If, as an example, your ad blocker in Brave, the Shields, is not working, make sure the ad blocker is up to date, and make sure you update your lists. And those are two steps that Brave has recommended. If, as an example, you are getting an error watching YouTube where it shows that pop-up that ad blockers are not allowed on YouTube, and by the way, it won't just fix just that warning. If there's any other issue you have regarding your ad blocker not working, those two steps should resolve the issue. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.